we will discuss about symmetrical network, and we will deduce the condition in terms of z parameter so that a network will be symmetrical. So first of all, we should know what is the symmetrical network. A network will be symmetrical if the ratio of voltage to current in one port must be equals to the ratio of voltage to current in port 2. So the ratio of voltage and current in one port must be equals to the ratio of voltage and current in the other port, that means port number 2, that means port 2. This is the condition so that a network is said to be symmetrical. So a network must fulfill this condition. So the ratio of voltage and current in one port and the ratio of voltage and current in the other port must be equal. Then the network is said to be symmetrical. Okay. So here we will deduce the formula for symmetrical network. So here we apply a voltage. This is Vs and this is I1 and this is I2, and we open circuited this port. So port 2 is open circuited. So here if I apply the Z parameter in this network, then we will get Vs is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 into I2. Now this is open circuited port, that's why I2 must be equals to 0. Then here it will be Vs equals to Z11 into I1. So the Vs divided by I1 must be equals to Z11. So the ratio of voltage and current in port 1, this is port 1, is given by Z11. Now if I apply voltage in this port, that means port 2, this is Vs and this is I2 and this is I1. Here this port is open circuited. Now if I write a equation in terms of Z parameter in this two port network, we will get Vs equals to, this is Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into I2. Now this is open circuited port, so here I1 must be equals to 0. So here Vs is equals to Z22 into I2. So here Vs divided by I2 is given by Z22. Okay, Z22. So here this is port 2. Port 2. Now these two must be equal for a symmetrical network. So a network will be symmetrical if the ratio of voltage and current in one port and the ratio of voltage and current in other port must be equal. So here Z11 must be equals to Z22. So this is the condition in terms of Z parameter, that so that a two-port network will be reciprocal. This is the condition, this is the symmetrical. So a network will be symmetrical if the Z11 must be equals to Z22. This is the symmetrical condition. Symmetrical. And previous class we have already discussed that Z12 must be Z21 for reciprocal network. Reciprocal network. This is the two condition in terms of Z parameter. This is the condition for symmetrical and this is the condition for reciprocal network.